We have prepared 3 mystery sounds for you to guess. If you manage to guess all 3 sounds correctly, you'll receive a special shout out from us in our next video. All right, let's jump right into it. Here comes the first mystery sound. That's a puzzling one. Any guesses? Leave your answer in the comments below, and let's move on to the next sound. Wow, that sound was quite intriguing. Do you think you know what it is? That one was a real brain teaser. Can you crack the code and identify what it is? Leave your answer in the comments and make sure to stay till the end to find out if you've got them all right. For the first sound, it was a cow. Did you get it right? Moving on to the second sound, it turned out to be waterfall. And finally, the third sound was a sloth.